Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza, and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Wednesday, November 8th. NASDAQ market struggling at these higher prices, you can see, or higher levels. The market moved higher, but we found sellers at those higher levels. This is a bearish structure, but I'm looking for an unchanged type day, slightly lower, but I'm looking for those buyers also to come right back into that market. Let's move on though, and let's see what's happening with the dollar. And there, where we can see with the euro, let me get that up here. Hold on, that's the wrong one. There we go. With the euro, what we're seeing here in this market, let me open that up for you, is that it has gotten low enough to find buyers, just like it did in the previous session. It implies a market that wants to go higher, but at this point, we're not seeing consistency. But I think that's right around the corner. I do look for follow through to the upside in that market. In the interest rate market, you can see the 10-year notes. We see a big shadow on the lows, which means it was red during its life. It also tells us that buyers did come back in. I do not look for follow through to the upside in that market. If we take a look at gold, gold's also given back some of its gains that it had in the previous session. They're buying the break is what it's showing us, but I'm looking for an inside day on Wednesday. And in crude oil, this market's also stopping to take a breath. It's a logical move, and I'm looking for a sideways move in that market. And in soybeans, I feel the same way about this market too, an inside day for Wednesday or lower. Well, speaking of lower, wheat did trade lower. Magnitude change in that market is $200 a contract, and I'm looking for an inside day on Wednesday. Well, that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. Looking forward to being with you again tomorrow. In the meantime, take care.